Here at Brunt, we only do handmade right from the start, which means that every piece of jewellery is made from a rolled out ingot of solid gold, and it's much denser than any cast pieces. And at the second level down, a lot of people trying to find out about is hand assembled. That means that it's just made from a few pieces that are cast and then polished independently and sold together. And then sort of the next level down is just purely cast pieces. Now, even hand assembled pieces are made from cast material, which is less dense than rolled material, so it will wear out quicker, and generally speaking those sorts of pieces are much thinner wall sizes and lighter weight, so they won't last as long. As I said, everything at Brunt is handmade from scratch, all rolled metal from an ingot, so it's much denser and will last for a lot longer, and generally is a much heavier weight than cast pieces.